Alrighty, well, we're back at it again tonight. I was having some issues with my alternator. It's not charging. So, just brand new alternator. I see the wiring, I'm thinking, or somewhere was not getting a good connection. And I started boost cutting on the way home on the other day. And my wastegate rattled loose. So I'm going to cinch it back on and tighten the nut and see where we're at. So I went ahead and tightened the wastegate actuator up, and it's all good to go. And I tested the alternator plug with the little dealio here.
Yeah, you got a short somewhere.
And everything's good. So now we're looking at the fuses.
So if you plug a new fuse in this, it'll pop again because your key's off.
Oh boy.
So you got.
So like I have the ignition off, and I still have. I still have power, and means I'm grounded out somewhere, and gotta love wiring, and that's my next project. Unfortunately, I get to deal with this now. So, yeah. So this is my alternator relay fuse. Not very good. So I'm hoping this might fix my problem. I'm hoping here, because this is a pain. And this, I think, is so dumb how they have this. They have bolts down here that, like, it's dumb. But I'm hoping this would help fix my alternator not charging. I hope it's a fuse and not grounded wiring and stuff and things. So, yeah, there we go. Dirty DSM. So, about to take her out on a little spin. See if the good old fuel cut is fixed. Hopefully the wastegate was the issue. I'm assuming it was, because that wasn't an issue until I saw that was loose. So, oh my god. Gross. I gotta fix this sometime. Yeah, there goes the clip. What a dummy. Alrighty. Well, we'll see what we do. This is so awesome. Well, I think she's good. She definitely pulled. Man.